Hello viewers, this is a tutorial on how to automate downvote questions on Quora using Socinator. If there are questions you want to downvote on Quora, then Socinator can help you out. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your Quora account and hit Go to Tools. This will take you to the Account Configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on Quora through Socinator. Let's click Downvote Questions. This is very useful as it makes it faster and easier to downvote a number of questions within a period of time while narrowing them down in the process. There are several configuration categories for downvote questions activity. Let's start with Search Query. As the name suggests, Search Query allows you to command the software on how to search targeted questions to downvote. There are two important sections, Query Type and Query. Query Type defines how you want to search the question. You can select the query type by clicking the drop-down button. Once you have chosen your query type, enter the query either manually by typing in this area, or you may click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click Open. When you're done, click the Add Queries to the List button and it will be added to the queries list over here. To show you how this works, let's test each query type. For custom URLs, we need a specific question URL from Quora. Let's say you want to target this question, for example. Click this button, then click Copy Link. Paste the URL in the query box, then click Add. So this will target this specific Quora question and downvote it. Next, we have keywords. Let's type politics, for example, if you want to target politics. Click Add. So this will downvote questions containing this keyword. Next, we have custom users list. For this one, we need a specific profile URL from Quora. Let's say this is the profile URL of the Quora user you want to target. Paste it here, then click Add. So this will target the questions of this specific Quora user and downvote them. Finally, we have topic list. For this one, we need a specific Quora topic. Let's say you want to target this topic, for example. Copy the topic ID over here, paste it in the query box, then click Add. So this will target the questions under that topic and downvote them. You can add several query types and queries depending on your preferences. If you want to delete a query from the list, simply click the trash bin button on the right side of the query you want to remove. Let's say you want to delete the third one, click it, and it's gone. The next configuration category is job configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should downvote questions. We have already created a few activity speed configurations which you can use, like slow with an average daily activities of 41, medium with 83, fast with 166, or super fast with 333. Super fast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each question is downvoted. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after downvoting the number of questions you set in number of questions to downvote per job. Number of questions to downvote per job will allow you to specify the number of questions to downvote per job or per cycle. You can also specify the number of questions to downvote per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another custom number of max questions to downvote per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep downvoting questions even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on, let's say, Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure, Monday for example, provide the start and end time, let's say 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m. and click Add Interval and it's added. Let's add another one on the same day. Let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click Add Interval. So as you can see, we can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking Create Favorite. Let's call it Quora Downvote Questions. Click Save. We can then open it by clicking Select Favorite Time and choosing Quora Downvote Questions. The next tool is Question Filters. This allows us to filter the questions we want to downvote on Quora. You can specify the minimum and maximum number of the question's answers count, question followers count, comments count, public followers count, views count, and last asked days count. Then check the last one if you want to target locked questions. The last configuration category is Manage Blacklisted Users. Blacklisted users are the Quora accounts you do not want Socinator to interact with. This can either be a private blacklist, which belongs to a specific Quora account, or a group blacklist, which is shared between all the accounts you add. When you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start downvoting questions on Quora, let's scroll up and click Save. Success. After saving, let's click the status button to make it active. Now that it's active, let me show you another option in automating downvote questions on Quora using Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the Social drop-down button and select Quora. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the Voting tab and select Downvote Questions on the left side of the app. Here we can name our campaign. Let's call it Quora Downvote Questions. For search query, let's select Topic List as our query type. Then paste the same topic ID from earlier. Click Add. For job configuration, let's select Slow. For question filters, let's check the last one. Then for Manage Blacklisted Users, let's check Private Blacklist. When you're ready, let's click the blue button, Select Account or Accounts. In this part, you can select multiple Quora accounts. Since we only have one, let's go with that by checking the box, then click Save. After saving, let's click the red button, Create Campaign. If you want to proceed, click your account and the Save button. This will automatically bring us to the Campaigns tab, where you can see that we have successfully created our Quora Downvote Questions campaign. Click the Status button to pause the campaign, and the Action button over here will allow us to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.